Symptoms of a bad MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor. Signs you should never ignore: check engine light appears. Car hesitates while driving. Black smoke from exhaust. Is your car losing power? Using more fuel than usual? Or has the check engine light suddenly appeared? A faulty MAF sensor could be the hidden cause. In this video, we'll explain the most common symptoms of a bad mass airflow sensor and what you can do to fix the problem before it gets worse. Bad MAF sensor. What is MAF? Sensor close-up animation of MAF sensor installed in the intake tube. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, measures the amount of air entering the engine. The engine control module uses this information to calculate the correct fuel mixture. If the sensor sends incorrect data, engine performance can suffer. Measures incoming airflow. Symptom number 1. Check engine light is on. One of the first signs of a failing MAF sensor is the check engine light coming on. The ECU detects abnormal airflow readings. When checked with a scanner, a bad MAF sensor can cause a fault code like P0100, P0101, P0102, or P0103 to come on and the check engine light to come on. Symptom number 2. Poor fuel economy. Fuel gauge dropping quickly. If the MAF sensor reports less air than actually enters the engine, the ECU may inject too much fuel. This causes increased fuel consumption and more trips to the gas station. Poor fuel economy. Symptom number 3. Rough idle RPM. Needle fluctuating while vehicle is stationary. A bad MAF sensor can cause unstable air-fuel ratios, leading to rough idle, engine shaking, or fluctuating RPM when the car is stopped. Symptom number 4. Engine hesitation or lack of power. Driver presses accelerator but vehicle responds slowly. When accelerating, your engine may hesitate, stumble, or feel sluggish. This happens because the ECU isn't receiving accurate airflow information. Symptom number 5. Difficulty starting or engine stalling. The driver struggles to start the car. The engine stalls at traffic lights. A seriously faulty MAF sensor can make it difficult to start your car. In some cases, the engine may stall shortly after starting. It may be difficult to start. A bad or dirty mass airflow MAF sensor is a prime culprit for difficult starting and engine stalling. Symptom number 6. Black smoke from exhaust. Black smoke coming from tailpipe. When the engine receives too much fuel and not enough air, incomplete combustion can occur. This often produces black exhaust smoke and a strong fuel smell. A bad or dirty mass airflow MAF sensor is a very common cause of black smoke coming from your exhaust. Symptom number 7. Engine misfires or jerking. Car jerking during acceleration. Incorrect airflow readings can cause the engine to misfire or jerk while driving. This symptom often becomes worse under heavy acceleration. Common causes of MAF sensor failure. Common causes include a dirty air filter, contamination from dust or oil, damaged wiring, vacuum leaks, or simply an aging sensor. Dirty sensor, damaged wiring, vacuum leak, old sensor. How to fix a bad MAF sensor. Before replacing the MAF sensor, check the wiring and air intake system. Use a special MAF sensor cleaner to clean dirt from the sensing element. If the problem is not resolved after cleaning, the MAF sensor may need to be replaced. A healthy engine runs smoothly. A faulty MAF sensor can cause poor fuel economy, engine misfires, loss of power, and engine performance issues. Early detection of the problem can save fuel and avoid costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car repair guides.